Have you ever just wanted to look pretty in school and not let school air get you? Well, today we're talking about how to be the prettiest girl in school. Now, before we start, let me just say this, you're already beautiful, okay? But I'm here to give you some advice on how to feel even more confident, beautiful, and slay every school moment. So let's begin. Take care of your skin. You don't need a 10-step routine, just 3 basics. Cleanse, moisturize, and protect. Wash your face every morning and night to keep it fresh. Use a light moisturizer to keep your skin soft, and always wear sunscreen even if it's cloudy. Dress neatly. Wear clothes that make you feel confident and comfortable. Also make sure your clothes are clean and well ironed, because no one looks good in wrinkled clothes. And don't forget to accessorize. A cute hair clip, a pair of stud earrings, or a dainty necklace can take your outfit to the next level. Also, don't forget to keep your hair clean and styled in a way that makes you feel cute. Whether it's a sleek ponytail, braids, or letting it flow naturally. Practice good hygiene. Make sure to shower before and after school, and always brush your teeth twice a day. Fresh breath is a must, so always keep a mint chewing gum in your backpack and also carry a mini perfume or body spray to help you smell good all day. Find your signature. Find a hairstyle that suits your face shape and is easy to maintain. Keep your nails clean and trimmed. And also apply a clear lip gloss or a lip balm to keep your lips moisturized. Decorate your school essentials. Decorating your notebooks, pens, and even your water bottle can make your items look so much cuter. Use stickers, washi tape, or even doodle on them to make them pretty and totally you. Plus, it makes school a little more fun. Smile and be kind. A genuine smile is one of the most attractive things you can wear. It makes you approachable and confident. Being pretty isn't just about looks, it's about how you treat people. So be kind to everyone, compliment your friends, help when you can, and treat people with respect. Be confident. Confidence is everything, so stand tall, walk with your head held high, and own your space. And remember, you don't have to compare yourself to anyone else. You're unique, and that's what makes you beautiful. Be a good friend. Being pretty isn't just about looks. It's about how you make others feel. Be a good listener, support your friends, and be someone people can trust. Surround yourself with positive people who lift you up, and don't waste time on drama. Stay true to yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not just to fit in. The prettiest version of you is the one that's real and authentic. So love yourself, flaws and all, because you're amazing just the way you are. Focus on your goals. Being pretty is also about being smart and ambitious. Work hard in school, pursue your hobbies, and develop your talents. A girl who is passionate and driven is always attractive. Stay active and healthy. Staying active doesn't mean you have to run a marathon. Dance in your room or go for a walk. It's all about feeling good in your body. And don't forget to eat plenty of fruits, veggies, and whole foods. Healthy eating shows in your skin, hair, and overall energy. And that's it, girls. My advice on how to be the prettiest girl in school. Remember, beauty isn't just about looks. It's about confidence, kindness, and being the best version of yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this with your friends. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!